Hey guys, good morning. It's Wednesday. Yesterday I was basically home dealing with some accounting stuff and some stuff on the computer. Also, I went to a lead that I have. I had a lead for some Disney figures, but it wasn't something interesting, and I um, didn't use my camera, so nothing to even picture. Um, so at the office it's like 6:45. um, so I'm going through my daily routine, answering some emails, going over some stuff. We have a few orders going out on eBay. I think 12 on eBay, about 20 on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, one on Bonanza, and one on our second eBay store. So right now I'm gonna finish researching Keepa, and then I'm gonna start probably packing, because I need to ship stuff today, because yesterday I wasn't here, I wasn't shipping, wasn't packing, so I'll probably start with packing. So I'm gonna finish that and start packing. So I pulled everything for eBay, all the orders for eBay and Bonanza. So this sold on our second store for like $10. This is for the main store, another video game, $10 also. A figure, deep cuts, something, I don't know what it goes for, $10 also. Another Star Trek Discman for like 20. Nightmare Before Christmas Funko, $12. Another DVD for 10. Dungeons and Dragons manual, I think it went for 20. Just one of the manuals or expansions. Another book for I think 20 or 25. Another one of the seed bags, and this one sold for 120. This is a signed book, and numbered also, of World's Greatest Lighters. Yeah, so 120 for this one. Oh, and we also sold a few Game Boy games. This one for 25 or 30, something like that. And on Bonanza we sold a Walkman with headphones. So Sony Walkmans, always pick them up on garage sales or wherever you see them. Usually go for $1 or $2, and they can go up to even $50, and it's easy to ship. If you find anything new and sealed, it can be worth up to like $200 or $300, $500. I saw some comps go for crazy money. So be on the lookout for Sony Walkmans. Not only Sony, but Walkmans or Discmans and stuff like that. Always check, but if you see them and they're asking $1 or $2, just pick them up. So that's it. I'm gonna pack those, and then I'm gonna deal with Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. So all the eBay orders are packed on Bonanza also. I like it when they're all small and easy to pack. This is it. 14 orders. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull Amazon Merchant Fulfilled orders, even though I'm gonna probably get them during the day also. I'm gonna pull them and pack them. That'll be a good start for the day. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I pulled all the Amazon Merchant Fulfilled orders. Mainly DVDs, like four CDs, something like that. Pretty cool movies. Most of them are war related, Hitler and stuff like that, Capone, war, Gestapo, yeah. But some of them are just, random and like classic movies from the past. That's cool. So yeah, it takes me a long time to pull orders. I need to find a better way to sort. I mean, for now I just put everything in bins and boxes. But to be honest, I didn't put it in the SKU when I listed it, so it's kind of all over the place. I did it just for the new ones, which were all of those CDs. Those CDs are all they have the letters in the SKUs, so it's easier to find. And also I put a number on the end of each one, which will make it easier to find, like if I sell something in the middle of the pile. So yeah, I'm gonna try to think of a better way to do that. So right now I'm gonna pack all of those and get back to just a regular day, trying to find some more deals, even though I didn't find any on Keepa. I'll do some research and organize the mess that I have here. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So everything is packed. I got even 2 more orders while I was packing, so I packed those also. 2 more DVDs, so 25 orders altogether. So what I'm probably gonna do, instead of packing and then taking it to the room and then printing and everything, I'll probably buy another printer, another shipping label printer, and just bring the computer here and just pack and ship, instead of doing it the way I do it right now, because I think it takes me a lot longer than it should. So I'm gonna try it. Worst case, I'm gonna have another shipping label printer, which is always good. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the office and print those labels and then deal with the other stuff. I think I got a few emails, so I'm gonna deal with that. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So I packed and labeled everything for all the stores, and I cleaned the office a little bit. I don't know if you can, if you can see it very well, but I organized here a little bit more spacious. And yeah, so we had 2 more sales on eBay. The Sopranos 5 seasons. Those we got from a pallet that we bought, DVD pallet, sold for $28, and we sold this for $85. Hummel, Sister Maria Hummel. This is really cool. I just came across those just once and I bought them. So this is really nice piece. We got I think 25 Hummel plates, and 2 of those for 120, and the plates we sold as a lot for $400, and we sold this. We had another one. We sold it for 100, and this is sold for 70 and 15 or 12 shipping, something like that. And we sold 2 more DVDs on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled for I'm sorry, a book and a DVD. So we had a total of how much? 27 orders. which is good. I listed a few items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, a few more toys, and that's it. I'm gonna pack those, and I'm gonna continue with the day. Maybe organize a little bit more here. We sold. It's a Time Life Sounds of the 80s. We got a bunch of, I think, 15 boxes of CDs. We paid $154 all, and we had sets there that sold for $400, $450, $350, like a bunch of really high-end stuff. Time Life mostly. So this set sold for $50. I accepted the best offer, $50 and $7 shipping for 6 CDs. Those I think those are the only ones left from that single purchase we did. Yeah, so I'm gonna find it and pack it. I'm gonna show you once I'll get it. Okay, so I found it. 6 CDs, Sound of the 80s. 1 second. Here they are. All of the CDs were in mint condition. Yeah. So, yep. So I'm gonna pack those. Pretty cool. 80s is like, they had great music in the 80s. So I'm gonna pack this, add this to the pile. I don't know if I told you or not, we sold another thing or two on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and it's all packed. So I'm gonna pack those right now. Okay guys, so I'm probably gonna head out. This is eBay, Bonanza, and eBay second store, and this is Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. And as I can see, they're starting to ship some more FBA orders, even though not enough, but they've been starting to ship. I've been selling, I mean, it keeps rising, the open orders, but I keep selling FBA, and they keep fulfilling FBA, but I'm still having more orders. So right now we have 155 open orders. So yeah, hopefully they'll catch up because more inventory is coming their way. So hopefully everything will be cleared and we don't have to deal with any cancellations, order cancellations. So that'd be interesting. So that's it for today, guys. So I just packed everything and just organized the warehouse a little bit, cleaned here a little bit, even though it's always looks the same. We just got an offer for another one of those the apartment 56 buildings, one of the buildings. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys. Stay safe.